What's going on, Exploders? Today we continue my pursuit to play Airsoft on every type of vehicle and transportation system ever made. And today we're at a train yard. Thanks to Lancer Tactical and Airsoft Megastore, me and the 5 other guys were able to get out here to Fillmore, California, a place that's just a drive away from my residence. This place is a museum slash active train station. I guess there's tours that go out through here, and there's viewings of trains and train cars on the weekends. But today we're going to get in here with airsoft guns and mess everything up. So here we go. Mission 1 is a simulated gas attack, so we're required to wear full face gear. That's why I whipped out my Rainbow Six inspired headset, and you see a lot of our other guys wearing gas masks or just full face paintball masks. Mission 1 requires us to get in the train, rescue any hostages we come across, and eliminate anyone who gets in our way. And do it all under 20 minutes.
We're bang one side, bang the other side. Door's closed. Door's closed right here. The door's closed on this side. We need a gun on the right side.
Oh God! Please don't shoot me! Oh!
There's a crack in the door. Get to that wall. Get to that wall. You need another finger? Stay down! Stay down! Right side. Copy, copy. Let's stay to the right. Violin. Right there, right there. All the hostages are low. All the hostages are dead. There's one dead down here.
One dead?
Yeah, one's dead.
Look at that. Hey!
He got me too. Let's make him come after us. Cover, cover, cover. Just fire. There's no more hostages. Ryan, you see anything? Reload. Just slide that curtain up. Ah, hit. He's still alive, this guy? Is this guy still alive? Close the door because no one else left in there. Close the door. Great, we close the door.
So, okay, so he's still in there.
Yeah. Are you still in there? Is that right?
No, I'm here. I'm behind you.
Okay. Who's the tenant?
Behind us, there's an enemy still. I got a flash. We can try to
You got a
flash.
flash? Yeah. Ready?
2, 1. I'm in. We got a friendly up ahead. All right, we're in here. Get in here.
Shoot us down. Shoot us down.
All right, leapfrog, leapfrog. Is that a hostage? Come on, move towards us. Keep your hands up, keep your hands up.
Keep your hands up.
Once he goes past you, you move up, move up, move up. Hey, someone watch 6. I'll watch 6. Stay here, stay here. Stay here. Next hostage, get up here. You got no weapons on you? No weapons? Come on.
Hostage.
Sit with him. Hey, you hostages, get in here. Let's start moving them up. Alright, good. Sit your asses down.
My friend's in there still.
No, everyone's dead in there.
Oh, my
Sorry, your friend's dead, buddy. Your friend's dead.
Oh God, it's Jimmy.
It's Jimmy, he's gone. Alright, let's move up.
Oh God, we need to move.
I'm moving up the hostages.
Judging by your helmet, are you German?
Yes, sir.
German. Oh God, there's a dead body.
Yeah. Get behind me, get behind me.
Tear us down at 96 o'clock.
Come on, you guys. Keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, forward, forward. We're getting you out. Come on. Let's go. Let's try it. Hostages, run. This way, this way. Go, go, go. Watch 6, watch 6. Let's go, exfil, forget him. Exfil, exfil. Exfil, everybody exfil. Go, go, go. That's it. That's all the hostages, right? Okay. We just have to get these guys out. We're gonna run out of time.
Follow Tim, follow Tim.
Now I'm skipping mission 2 because I was dead half the time, and Kyle, aka the Laser Viper, got us all blown up. So there's not really much to see from my perspective there.
Oh, we're dead.
But mission 3 takes place on a large open area. There's outdoor spaces in play as well as train cars. There's a lot to clear, and it's a long stretch that's about half a mile long from end to end that you have to clear. Get the HVT, get any hostages you come across, and you know, try not to die, and try not to die of exhaustion running back and forth to respawn. Here we go, mission 3. Let's see if we can do it.
2, 1, game on, game on, game on.
Yep, watch out, fire coming through already. Moving up. There's one in the back of this car. Watch out, watch out!
Watch it.
You good?
We're good, get in there.
Tim, I'm behind you. Moose is on the tractor. Moose, we're in car 3. Car 1, 2, and 3 are clear in the middle.
This train is clear.
Where's those BBs coming from? Kyle, he's on your 9 o'clock.
I'll come back to you guys. Tim is dead.
I'm behind you, Moose.
Alright, I'm gonna move to the silver car.
Okay. There's one behind us still. Yo, Tim, in front of you here. I just flashed him. Oh shit. Tim, move up, move up, move up. He's above you. Above you. He's right, back right, back right. Tim, same time as me. Go. He's hit. We got at least 2 targets down, possibly 3.
That's all open, right?
Yeah, we have to go to that net. We're pushing forward to the second set of trains. First set should be clear. Tim, I'm going left. On your left, Tim. Watch my 6. Wait, there's movement right there. Going across. Cover left, I'll cover right, Ryan. Hope you got him.
Yeah, you got it. Oh, good.
Good job. Stay in the double-decker Amtrak. See that one up there? I bet that's where they are. It's closed. Is he dead? You dead? And get the hell out of here. No, they're going upstairs. Just watch the door. Let's contact upstairs.
Yeah.
Hands up, come to the stairs. Where are you getting shot from?
Alright, we got him. Where are the other POWs? Is there only one? Okay.
Come on, buddy. You're good.
Hand on him.
Yo, Ryan, go first. Go first. Go. Let's see, we're extracting.
HVT coming down!
Behind the fence.
Come on, come on. Guys, hurry up. That's everybody. That's it.
2705.
Woo! Half the time. Yeah, baby.
Mission 3 was by far the best mission we've done. We did it in almost half the allotted time. Accomplished all the objectives, got the HVT, got the hostages, and managed to die only a couple times. We finished 3rd place overall out of the 7 teams participating, and that's a nice move from our previous finish. Hopefully we'll keep moving up and up, and 1st place will be the next stop. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and you'll see me on the next one.